Good afternoon, Pam. My name is Tameron here from Tameron Hyundai in Hoover, Alabama. Thank you so much for inquiring about one of our beautiful 2019-2020 Hyundai Santa Fe's. As you can see, it's in the showroom for a reason. It is gorgeous. I'm excited to show it to you. So here in the front, Pam, we got the honeycomb grille with the smart cruise control, LED wraparound headlights, daytime running lights, premium alloy wheels, nitrogen-filled tires, turn signal, blind spot detection in the mirror. This, of course, is keyless remote entry. Let's take a look on the inside. On the inside, a beautiful black leather throughout the whole vehicle. Power seats, 7-inch touchscreen display that's equipped with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. You get all the safety and technology features such as lane keep assist, lane departure warning, drive mode select, cruise control, and you have a panoramic sunroof as well. But the best part about our vehicles, Pam, are the warranties. 5-year, 60,000 mile new car warranty, 10-year, 100,000 mile powertrain warranty. We're here at Tameron. We exclusively double to 20 years, 200,000 miles on the powertrain warranty, which is unheard of. Again, my name is Tameron. I'll be the one working with you. My cell phone is 703-505-1598. Give me a call. We're here till 8 o'clock tonight. And also, we're in the middle of our Labor Day clearance event, which means we've updated pricing on all 2019s to make room for the 2020s, which means savings for you. Again, 703-505-1598. Let me know if you can come on down for a test drive here at Tameron Hyundai, where you're going to love the way you're treated.